out for a walk on the moor of the clans. The peace, the tranquility, the sound of guns. Just down the road there's a clay pigeon shooting range. Every once in a while they're practicing. And bizarrely, I actually quite like the sound, because out here on the moor of the clans, this is allegedly where Bonnie Prince Charlie held his troops the night before Culloden, right here in the backyard. And so when I hear the sound of muskets in the distance echoing, the sound comes and bounces off these trees over here. It makes me feel like we're actually part of history. Brings the Jacobite rebellion right into the present day. It also makes me think that if there were an actual full-scale army encamped here, firing muskets and pistols, the sound would have been absolutely incredible, because I'm assuming that's just one or two guns back there. And the sound is travelling so far. But I have one question today, one thing I've been thinking of, which is, why have I never until today heard of John Mackay? John Mackay, he was a Scottish spy and writer in the early 1700s. His works were published posthumously in 1733 by his son. The stories of intrigue, the portraits of famous people like Jonathan Swift, Isaac Newton, but also he served as a spy for William III and Queen Anne. And I've never heard of this man. I obviously need to be doing more reading, so I'm trying to get a hold of some of his writings that I can download to my Kindle and delve into it, because he sounds like a very interesting character, although presumably on the wrong side, given that he was spying for the English against the Jacobites. But nevertheless, a man with an interesting story to tell. I just thought I'd share that with you. I don't even know what those sounds are, but they're nice. Look at these ferns over here. Practically waist high. Wouldn't particularly enjoy roaming through this forest. These man-made forests are not easy to walk through. I find the natural forests much easier because of the diversity, but these forestry commission pine forests are often very difficult. A lot of it's banks of moss. It's marshy, boggy. There's no particular paths through it, and all the way running through it are these irrigation ditches, so if you're not careful you plunge headlong into a pool of water, ruining your shoes. It's kind of a haunting sound, isn't it? Guns in the forest. Makes me almost feel like people are chasing me. Ah, the fantasies that one has.